What is your name?
Ritika.
And what have you made?
Parrot.
Show me your parrot. Tell me something about the parrot.
Parrot likes chili.
Parrot likes chili. Okay.
Parrot likes fruit.
Parrot likes fruit. Very good. Very good. Sit down. What have you made?
Elephant and horse.
Elephant. Show me the elephant. Okay. What is the difference between elephant and horse?
Elephant is sugarcane eats, and horse is grassy.
Okay. Elephant eats sugarcane and horse eat grasses. Which animal is bigger? Elephant or horse?
Elephant.
Which animal has got trunk? Elephant or horse?
Elephant.
Very good. What is your name?
Nancy.
Okay. Now tell me two lines about elephant.
Elephants are brown color.
Very good.
Second line elephant. Second line. Elephant like sugarcane.
Elephants like sugarcane. Very good. Very good.
Horse line.
And horses like?
Horse like grasses. Second, horse live in stable.
Okay, horse live in stable. Very good. And where elephant lives?
Elephants live forest.
Forest. Elephants live in forest. Very good. Okay. Who is next? Who will show me the next? Okay. What have you made? Peacock. Okay. What is your name?
Yug.
Okay. Hang it with the thread and show me.
Yes, sir.
Hang it with the thread and show me like this. Okay. What is your name?
Yug.
Tell me two lines about peacock. Is peacock a national bird
Yes, sir.
of India? So tell it in sentence. Peacock is national bird of India. Peacock is a dash bird. Beautiful bird or not beautiful bird? So make a sentence out of it. Make a sentence out of it. Peacock is a
Bird.
beautiful bird. Very good. What have you made?
Sir, parrot.
Parrot. Okay, I have talked with you. Fine. What have you made?
Sir, parrot.
Parrot. Show me properly. Okay. What is your name? Tell me something about parrot.
Parrot eat chili and parrot eat fruit.
Parrot eats fruit. Parrot eats fruit. When we will say one parrot, then we will say eats. When we will say parrots, then we will say eat. Parrots eat fruit, but parrot eats fruit. Okay? All right. Who else? What have you made?
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Tell me two lines about pigeon.
Pigeon like fruits, insects.
Okay, pigeon eats and likes fruits as well as insects. Very beautiful. She has made two birds. Show me the two birds. Raise your bird high. And another bird.
Parrot.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between parrot and pigeon?
Pigeon is national bird for India.
No, peacock is national bird for India.
Peacock is
Of India rather. Peacock is national bird of India.
Peacock is a beautiful bird.
Peacock is a beautiful bird. Does peacock fly high?
No, sir.
Complete the sentence. Peacock does not fly high. What will you say? Peacock does not fly high. What have you made? Have you made anything? Okay, what have you made?
Peacock.
Peacock, okay. Oh, she has made an owl. She has made an owl. What have you made? Show to everyone. Like this. She has made an owl. Can you tell me something about the owl? What type of bird is owl? Acha, owl is active during days or night? Owl is, yes,
Night.
night. And what are the other properties of owl? Other properties of owl? What kind of bird is owl considered? Cunning bird or foolish bird?
Foolish bird.
Okay. In Hindi language, when you say owl or ullu, it means foolish. But in English, when you say owl, it means cunning. Okay? Will you remember this? Yes, what have you made?
From the line.
कोई बात नहीं. आज बना लेना.
Sir,
आपने क्या बनाया?
owl and peacock.
Okay, owl and peacock. I can see your owl is quite angry. Okay, you have made an angry owl bird. Tell me something about the owl.
Owl is not sleep in night.
Owl does not sleep in night. क्या बोलोगे?
Owl does not sleep in night. And second, owl sleep in morning.
Okay, owl sleeps in daytime. Okay, fine. So owl is a cunning animal or foolish animal?
Foolish.
Cunning. Okay, in English, owl is considered to be cunning. What kind of bird is peacock?
Peacock is a national bird in the India.
Is national bird of India. National bird of India. Very good. What have you made? What is this?
Peacock.
Very beautiful. Beautiful. Tell me two lines about peacock.
Peacock eats like insects. Peacock is national bird
Of India.
of India.
Okay. Acha, I am telling you one fact. You tell me whether I am right or wrong. Peacock eats snake. All right, raise your hand. How many of you raise your hand? How many of you say yes? So all were saying no in chorus. Peacock eats snake. Okay. What have you made? What is your name? That girl there? Yes. Show me. Oh, it is a peacock again. Very good. Nice peacock. All right, big peacock she has made. What have you made, boy? What is your name?
My name is Adarsh.
Others. What have you made?
Sparrow.
Sparrow. Okay. Where is sparrow found? Where is a sparrow found?
Nest.
Nest. Okay, sparrow is found in the nest. Parrot. Tell me something about parrot.
Parrot eats fruit.
Okay.
Parrots eat
Fruits. And chili.
and chili.
Very good. Very good. Now you can decorate the classroom with the birds using a string. Okay. What have you made? What is your name? Shikha, what have you made? Tell me two lines about duck. Duck loves to swim.
Duck loves to swim.
And anything else? Anything else? It likes insects. Yes. Duck also likes insects.
And fishes.
Fishes. Okay. Have you seen duck eating fish?
Duck eats fish with its beak.
With its beak. All right. Very good. Who can make the noise of duck? Okay, who can make the noise of parrot? What have you made?
Peacock.
Tell me 2 lines about peacock.
Peacock is a national bird of India.
Okay.
Peacock is a beautiful bird.
Peacock is a beautiful bird. It is national bird of India. Very good.